energy conversation is more relevant than ever in today's world. Rising utility costs and growing environmental concerns have encouraged many households to seek out simple, cost-effective strategy to lower energy use. Fortunately, many energy-saving practices don't require special equipment or investments. Instead, they can be integrated into daily routines with minimal effort. These 10 methods provide practical and completely free ways to reduce the home energy use, save money, and support a more sustainable future. One of the most effective and immediate ways to reduce energy consumption by remembering to turn off lights when they are not needed. Light fixtures that remain on in empty rooms waste electricity throughout the day and night, contributing to both environmental strain and higher utility bills. These habits may seem small, but when practiced consistently, it makes a measurable difference. Developing a routine of switching off lights upon exiting a room reinforces energy-conscious behavior throughout the home and sets a positive example for others in the household. Now, another significant source of energy waste comes from electronics and household devices that are left on and in standby mode. Items such as televisions, computers, game consoles, and stereo system often continue drawing powers even when they appear to be turned off. This standby power consumption, sometimes referred to as phantom or vampire energy, can quietly add up over time. A practical solution is to completely shut down the devices when not in use. Using power strips with a switch allows multiple devices to turn off at once, making it easier to eliminate unnecessary power draw with a single action. Now let's talk about laundry. When it comes to laundry, running only full load is an easy and efficient way to save energy. Washing machines use roughly the same amount of electricity and water regardless of the load size, so it makes sense to maximize their capacity. Additionally, opting for cold water instead of hot or warm settings can further cut energy usage, since water heating is a major source of energy demand in the laundry process. Using the frequency of laundry by reusing towels and rewearing durable items like jeans can contribute to fewer wash cycles over time, which conserves both water and electricity. Let's talk about drying clothes. Drying clothes efficiently is another opportunity to save energy. Over-drying laundry in a machine not only wastes electricity but also accelerates the wear and tear on fabric. Many modern dryers include moisture sensors that detect when clothes are dry and automatically stop the cycle. Using this feature helps prevent excessive energy use and preserve garment quality. For even greater savings, households can avoid using the dryer altogether by air drying clothes. Hanging items on a drying rack indoors or a dry clothesline outdoor is completely free and effective, especially in warm or breezy conditions. Over to dishwashers. Dishwashers also operate more efficiently when run full loads. Running a half-empty dishwasher consumes just as much energy and water as a full one, which makes it inefficient in terms of both resource use and cost. Waiting until the dishwasher is fully loaded ensures maximum productivity from each cycle. Many dishwashers also come equipped with eco-friendly or energy-saving settings, which reduce energy and water consumption during the wash. Another helpful practice is skipping the heat-dry cycle and letting dishes air dry naturally, which further reduces overall energy use. Another energy safety tip is unplugging idle appliances is a lesser known but impactful strategy for energy conservation. Many small household appliances, including microwaves, coffee makers, and chargers, continue to draw power when plugged in, even if they are turned off. This type of energy use is easy to overlook but add up over time. By unplugging these devices when they are not actively in use or grouping them together on a power strip that can be turned off, households can avoid this passive energy waste entirely. It's a small adjustment that contributes to noticeable savings, especially when practiced consistently. The next energy saving tip is adjusting the temperature setting on a home's water heater is another straightforward way to reduce energy use. Most water heaters are set to temperature higher than necessary for daily use, often around 60 degrees Celsius. Lowering the settings to 49 degrees Celsius still provides comfortable hot water for showers, washing dishes, or cleaning, but with less energy demand. This not only reduces the energy bills but also helps prevent accidental burn from overly hot water, making it a safe and practical option for households of all sizes. And the next is replacing bath with showers is another way to conserve both water and energy. Baths typically require a large volume of hot water, which increases energy usage. In contrast, showers use significantly less water, especially when kept short. To increase efficiency, installing a low-flow shower head can reduce water consumption without sacrificing water pressure. These devices are inexpensive and easy to install, and they offer long-term savings on both water and energy bills. Short, efficient showers can become a regular part of any household's routine without requiring any sacrifice in comfort. The next is fan usage. During warmer months, using fan instead of air conditioners can drastically cut down on energy use. Air conditioning units consume a high amount of electricity, particularly in regions with hot climates. Fans, on the other hand, use less power and can create strong cooling effects by circulating air. Ceiling fans, box fans, and standing fans can help maintain comfort level while relying less on energy-intensive cooling systems. Additionally, taking advantage of natural ventilations by opening windows during cooler parts of the day can further reduce the need for mechanical cooling. And finally, managing sunlight during the hottest part of the day can significantly impact indoor temperatures and the energy needed to cool a home. Sunlight entering through windows can quickly heat up indoor spaces, forcing air conditioning system to work harder. By closing curtains, blinds, or shades during peak sunlight hours, it's possible to keep interiors cooler naturally. This passive cooling method reduces the need for continuous air conditioning and helps maintain a comfortable living environment while conserving electricity. The bottom line of all this is energy saving at home do not require expensive upgrades or new technology. Simple behavioral changes such as turning off lights, adjusting appliances use, and managing natural heat and airflow can lead to meaningful reduction in energy consumption. These 10 strategies are completely free to implement and can become part of everyday life with minimal effort. Collectively, they represent a smart and sustainable approach to conserving resources, protecting the environment, and lowering household costs. Thank you guys for staying till the end of this video. Kindly do well to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you find value in this video, share to your family and friends that might need this video, and I would see you in my next video. Bye guys.